Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's time for another video that I'm gonna basically record for Drone Up so I can earn another badge. And this one is gonna be all about cinematography. So it's gonna be about orbiting an object, about the droney effect, and 4-axis motion, which is the most difficult one, by the way. And I think there's one more, I just keep forgetting it. But as we go through the video, as we progress through this video, I will sort of explain all the different moves so you can become a better drone pilot. And as always, experience, experience, experience. This is probably the most difficult move to master. It's a 4-axis movement while following an object. And here you just have to sort of do a circle, at the same time increasing altitude, and at the same time moving the camera so you don't lose view of the object you're recording. Now, I understand that tracking an object in active track mode on many drones is very simple, but attempt to do it in a completely manual mode while you're basically keeping track of the object on all 4 axes while moving. So you have to move your gimbal, you have to make sure your drone is flying in a specific direction, you have to make sure that you don't lose track of an object. Very difficult to do in manual mode. And this is actually probably one of my better shots. It's the second day I got my Mercedes, and before I took it for its scheduled service, I decided to take it on a beach. This move is called a droney, as many of you know, but very easy to master, moving backwards and up at the same time. But you can see how beautiful you can make your object look and stand out in comparison to the background, especially if you have a beautiful backdrop. So very good move to master. This is just a 360-degree circle, and I again understand many drones have this as an automatic option, a quick shot mode, but attempt to do it in manual and you'll find out that it's much more difficult to do than you think. I started practicing with different kinds of objects like people, cars, houses, and to my surprise, sometimes it's much more difficult to do than it seems. I decided to add this little clip as a bonus one, and it's basically a reveal and kind of like rocket and quick shot modes. So you just show the object and then you fly up at a certain altitude to reveal the background or the location of the object. And it actually can be done in opposite mode, where you fly down and here I just basically reversed the video, but when you fly down and reveal the object as you're descending, so it also makes it a very beautiful move. So here I just threw it in as a bonus move. Another bonus video that I decided to throw in is this one, where I basically just did a 360 of a hotel I was staying at to show the owner the capabilities of a drone, and it actually helped me sell this hotel owner a drone. So I just did a 360 of his hotel, showed him the hotel with him in the center, and he loved it so much he bought a drone from me. So you never know what kind of moves can come in handy and be profitable for you.